you. I'm like, what you doing? What you getting into? Baby, who you screwing? I'm missing you. I'm like, what you doing?
Hey y'all, it's Isha E and I'm back with a new video. I'm just gonna say ahead of time, sorry the editor cut off half my head. But today we're gonna be laying back down my lace front using some Pop It Up. So right now you see me just cleaning it as best as I can and cleaning the left up part. And I'm using some alcohol to do that. Right now I'm brushing my hair back, my baby hairs, just so they're out of the way. And that is conditioner water that I'm spraying on my lace right now, just so my edges could come up so I can redo them. Right now you can see like where I need to lay it right back down. This lace I got done December the 10th, and it's just starting to come up a couple days after Christmas, so I think that's really good. So you just see me cleaning some more with alcohol. I'm just making sure I get all of it cleaned up. Right here you see me spraying some Pump It Up on my scarf. At first I didn't want it to get all over my hands. Right now I'm just putting the Pump It Up on my hair, on my hairline. I'm not really putting it on my hair. It looks like I'm putting it on my hair. I'm just putting it on my hairline. I decided to use my hand just because I thought it was easier and more effective. I did 2 layers of the Pump It Up, and you're gonna see that in a little bit. So you really can't see, but I just took my comb to pin it back. Right now I'm using my blow dryer to dry the spritz up so that I can pull it down on my lace. After blow drying, I figured out that like it was sticky. It just wasn't as sticky as I wanted to, so I added on another layer so it could be that like really sticky effect that Got to Be and Ghost Bond gives you. So right now I'm just blow drying the second layer on. I'm just showing y'all like how sticky it is. Okay, so right now I'm laying my lace right back down. And I'm just pulling it as low as I can. And I'm pulling it right back down. And I'm just gonna brush my baby hairs away. Some of them did end up sticking. I just want to remind y'all, like, this is my first time trying this. This is my first time even laying a lace down, period. So don't judge me, because this is my first time. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm just showing y'all, like, this is a very affordable way to do your own hair and save money. So right now I'm just blow drying the pump it up to lay my hair down or whatever. As y'all can see, it's melted on. So right now I'm doing the other side. The other side really didn't come up as much as the first side did, but I'm just brushing all the baby hairs out of the way and just trying to see, like, what else do I need to lay down before I style it. And that's how I laid my hair down. Right now I'm just taking some alcohol and just cleaning the leftover spritz off my hair, and I'm gonna begin styling it. I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all watch the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.
myself, I need to stop it. Wanna take my bitch on an island, do what I wanna see you